Hey guys, so I just deep conditioned my hair and then I decided to cut my hair. No, actually I've been wanting to cut my hair for a long time because I just feel like my hair is so boring at this moment. It's just all in one length and my hair actually looks like a triangle, okay? The shape of my hair is non-existent and I really don't like that. So lately when I've been doing my wash and goes, they just don't turn out right and they don't really have that volume that I like. So that's why I decided to cut my own hair, okay? The reason why I want to cut my own hair is because first of all, I don't trust anyone cutting my hair, okay? None of these hair salons here in Belgium where I live, I don't know, I just don't trust them because I've had some bad experiences in the past. So I never go to a hair salon and I always cut my hair myself. Like I always trim my hair myself. And by the way, I have a video on how I trim my own hair. I will leave the video like here, click the link here so you can check that video out after this video, of course, but still, I don't want to go to a salon and I also don't have the experience of cutting my hair. So I really don't know how it will turn out. It's just like a learning experience, I guess. My hair is long at this moment and I really don't care if I mess it up. Like I'll just cut it like in an even shape or whatever, what happens, and then I'll just grow it back. Hair always grows, so I'm not worried at all. Okay, but I've been watching YouTube videos on how people cut curly hair or natural hair. Like there are not a lot of videos about that, okay? No one is really clear. Everyone is just doing their own thing and I think that's the thing that I'm about to do now. Like I'm just going to do my own thing. But I saw a video and I will leave that video down below from a girl called Lena Summer. And in her video, she explained like a technique on how she cuts layers in her hair. And I will try her technique and I'll see how it turns out on my hair because her curls are really uniform. She has like one curl pattern as far as I can see. And I have multiple hair textures. So that will be interesting. So I really don't know how it will turn out, but yeah, I'll see. I just finished deep conditioning my hair. Okay. As you can see, guys, my hair is just all one length. And when my hair dries, it's just like a triangle. You can see the pyramid action thing going on and I really don't like that, okay? I really hate that. When it dries, it's just like this, but a little bit more defined, okay? So yeah, gosh, it's just, I don't know. So this is not a tutorial, this is just me doing stuff, okay? Let me make this clear. In her tutorial, she makes a ponytail right here, so I'm about to do that now real quick. Just making sure there are no bumps or lumps in my hair. I want to have a smooth ponytail. So in her video, she actually just cuts her hair like right about here because she explains that if you cut it like this, you will have like these like subtle layers, like nothing too harsh, and that's actually what I want. Also, like the hair here in the front is right about here, so it's closer to your head. So if you cut here, your hair will be shorter here in the front than the hair in the back because as you can see, the hair travels a long way. I noticed in her tutorial, her hair was definitely like soaking wet. And my hair is already drying. So my hair has no product in, by the way. I'm just going to wet my hair real quick and I'll be back, okay? And the scissors that I'm going to use are just normal paper scissors. Don't even judge, okay? Like I can choose whatever scissors I want to cut my hair with, okay? So don't judge. I know these are not hair scissors, but I really don't care. So yeah. Whoa, this is really hard. I don't know if this is the right brush. Maybe I should use my white tooth comb. Oh, I hope this won't be a fail because if it does, Lena Summer, we have something to discuss. Like, no, just kidding. I know I don't really care if I cut it wrong, but still, I want it to be right the first time, you know? This is interesting. I really don't know how my hair will act because I have so many different textures. I really don't know what the deal is. And I also want my hair to be shorter. To be honest, like I know I have long hair, but long hair is not everything, you know? It's just so much work and it's so hot in the summer. And you know, doing a wash and go, it takes a lot of time, a lot of air drying, and sometimes I'm really done with having long hair, you know. Sometimes I just want to have my shorter, medium length natural hair back, because long natural hair is not always all that. So I'm cutting a lot today, about this much. I'm going to cut this much. I'm so done with this. Am I really doing this? Wait a minute. This is a lot. This is actually a lot. Am I really doing this? Gosh, you guys. So I repeat, this is not a tutorial. I'm just doing whatever. I don't know what the heck I'm doing. I'm gonna cut this much, okay? I'm doing it. Ah. Oh my God, I'm doing it. Bruh, what did I do? My hair is short. Oh my God, my hair is really short actually. Okay, wait a minute. What is wrong with me? Oh my God, waarom heb ik dit gedaan? So I cut this much. Let me remove this band. Okay. Moment of truth. Huh? Did something change? Oh yeah, it did. I'm going to do like a before and after. This definitely worked. Oh my God, this technique actually works. I don't know if it's even, but... And this is still long. Oh my God, I didn't lose my length. Thank you, Jesus. Oh my God, I didn't lose any length. Let me stand up. Okay, a little bit. Yeah, obviously I did lose a little length. My hair was about here. But still, like, and now I have layers. Oh my God, I cannot wait to style my hair. So I'm going to style my hair and I'll be back. Okay guys, I just did a quick wash and go with some leave-in conditioner and my Eco Styler gel, and okay, you know, my curls here at the bottom, like they are really like springy and alive. As you can see, the bounce back of my hair right now is like real. I didn't really have the bounce back in a while. Okay, like I think my hair really needed a cut. Like as you can see, my hair is really like curly. Okay, so that's for one side, but the other side, you guys, I don't know, because I think I did something wrong. Okay, so the other side is, you know, my bangs side, and it is interesting. You cannot really see it on camera. Oh, maybe you can. So, you know, I have multiple hair textures, and the texture here on my crown area is very loose. I really don't know how this could happen on my head, but as you can see, my color pattern is really tight over here, but then you see my texture over here. Like, no, this is not heat damage or whatsoever. Like, if you know me, if you've seen my videos, like I've always had this texture like really on the crown of my head only, like this 3B texture, and also that texture here on the crown of my head is kind of frizzy, always, never defined. So nothing like the texture that I have right here or here. You know, this is always frizzy, and I didn't really kept that in mind while I was cutting my hair. So I don't know, I really don't know how my hair will turn out. Yeah, you definitely see the layers right here. Maybe I should wait until my hair is completely dry. I don't really air dry my hair anymore. It takes too long, like 24 hours or 28 hours or something like that. So I'm not going to air dry my hair. I'm going to blow dry my hair. And I'm not using a diffusing attachment because that just doesn't work for my hair. Okay, I'm back. And I kind of love my hair. I just blow dried my hair like in every direction. And my hair is currently like 80% dry. This is still first day hair, right? You know, when the days go by, my hair will just start to get bigger and bigger and will have more and more volume. But now the volume is in the right places. That's great, right? So the layers came out really, really nice, like almost perfect. So my curls are still crunchy from the gel, but that's okay. Like as you can see here, my hair is shorter here. Wow, so I just went to sit right next to my chair. Bruh. So my conclusion is this technique, like the ponytail cutting technique, actually works even if you have multiple textures. Like, but if you do this technique, you do this at your own risk, okay? But I wanted to risk it and I'm actually very happy. My hair was just too much and now I'm like, I can breathe again. Like everything's right this time. Yeah, this was a very random video. But thank you so much for watching this video and I will see you in my next one, okay? Bye!